Yo, 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 welcome back. So, welcome back, everyone. For those who have been here before, thank you for coming back. If you subscribed, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. And if you find that this video is giving you content, please just hit the like button. Just to show me that you liked it. If you've got any comments, please comment below. And definitely hit the notification bell so you know when I release more videos. I try and release a video at least 1 or 2 a week, just to trying to keep up to date with different things and, you know, just in the kick world and sometimes in the tech world. You know, I like technology. I'm not a out and out geek. Oh, yeah. But, you know, I do my research. Everyone likes a bit of tech, some phones and things like that. So sometimes I do that as well. But that's enough waffling. Let's just get into silhouette I was talking about. And we're talking about the Jordan 1's black and blue University. Black and blue? Yeah, I think it's black and blue. They're women's kick, so I've never seen this because I've never bought women's Jordan 1 before, but they come in a white box with a gold Jumpman on top, gold Jumpman on the side as usual, and usual details there. So it says they are women's Airjordan 1 mid, white, black, University blue. Now, I didn't think that these would be the ones what get sold out, but then Jordan 1s have been selling out ridiculously anyway. So if we just take these out, I thought I was sleeping on these, but clearly wasn't, because I ordered mine in the morning, got them, went on to some Facebook groups. Shout out to the groups, I mean, they know who I am, and they were all sold out. I couldn't believe it. People were saying, oh, I didn't get any, I want to get a pair, they're going to buy resale. I'm like, wow. But I'm waffling now, so let's just get straight into this. These are, like I said to you, white, black and blue University Jordan 1 mids. Now, as you can see, I'm going to tell you now, on the website, Nike website, UK, I don't know about the US, but the upper looks like it's canvas. The overlays look like they're suede. Now, I actually done a review on the trainers what are coming out. 5 top trainers will come out at the end of April. The video's up there, so have a look. I include these. I got it wrong because these are actually completely leather. There's no suede, there's no canvas on top apart from the sock lining in the boot. But let's do what we normally do. We've got the typical Jordan sole in a baby powder blue, powder blue. It's a nice blue. Okay, the midsole's completely white with white stitching around the side. You've got white leather uppers. It's not a tumble leather. I think it's trying to look like one, but it's not a tumble leather. Okay, if you look closely, it looks like, but it's more like a smooth white leather. And you've got black overlays, as you can see, going up to the lace eyelets, around the back and on the heel as well. Underneath that, where the ankle is, you've got a blue, again, a blue powder, a powder blue or baby blue colorway there, and just underneath, and you've got the black overlay and it brings it to the top. typical Jordan silhouette with the black swoosh there. You've got the ball with wings, Jordan, Airjordan on the side. That is just, what they call it, stamped into the leather. So, you know, there's not really that much to write home about this. It's a typical Jordan 1 in a nice colorway, and they're gone. You can't get them. It's mad. I can't understand how they've gone so quick. But I can see girls rocking these. I can really see girls rocking these and enjoying them, and they're going to look crisp with whatever you get. So if you slept on these, I think it's a miss. I don't think they're going to resell. They're not that kind of, I just don't think they're the hyped colour, but they're a really nice colour. You can just wear this with anything, like I said. So there we have it. Jordan 1 Black University Blue, or Black Blue Universities. Whatever they call them. I'm out.